Hey guys, so today I've got a 2023 CLA45 AMG. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light. First thing I'm going to do, press the start button twice. Make sure the brake pedal is not pressed. So it's going to be in ignition on mode. Next, we're going to press the home button and go to the trip menu. Press it. Then we're gonna press and hold the back and the OK button for 5 seconds. Let it go. Press the home button. Go all the way to the left. And we're gonna go to workshop mode. Press the OK button. Go down. Assist plus. Okay, we're gonna see full service. Press OK. Confirm service. Yes. And confirm. All right, full service has been carried out. You can press the back button to get out of this menu. So this workshop menu you only see when you do that. Press these two buttons together. Otherwise, this workshop menu does not show up. So you just gotta turn the ignition to the off position. Start the vehicle. And it's all set, good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.